Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm going to share with you how I turned an old Easter sign from Dollar Tree into a sign for Halloween. My daughter and I went to Old Time Pottery and we saw a really cute sign for $7.99, but I knew I could make it to be more personal for her family. So I had my sign that I had used the rabbit from, and excuse the paper being off. That was from last time, and I didn't bother trying to take more off. But I did take off the glitter with my Dollar Tree sanding sponge because I'm going to just cover it with scrapbook paper. I actually had this package of scrapbook paper from the Target Dollar Spot for many years, and I just never got around to using it. But I found it to be perfect for this project. Those signs fit perfectly on a 12 by 12 inch piece of paper. This is the design I chose, and I basically took my sign, turned it upside down, took my paper, turned it upside down, and I just traced it. Now, I tried to get as close to the sign as I could when I was tracing it, but what I'm going to do anyway is I'm going to cut inside the pencil mark so that it's going to be a little bit smaller than the sign is, because I'm going to paint the sign and then I'm going to cut the actual scrapbook paper into strips so that it still will look like a bunch of, what do you call those things, planks? Yeah, planks. I also had one of the cats that come, the 5 ornaments to a package, and I painted that also black. Now, you can use stickers, but they were too big for my sign. You could use your Cricut, but I didn't want to fiddle around with all these teeny tiny letters, and I'm a stamper, so I have stamps and ink. But just make sure if you're going to stamp, use waterproof ink because Mod Podge is water. And then I stamped out. I cut my paper down into planks, and then I used my stamps to create the words that I wanted on my sign. And then I also wasn't sure if I was going to put the word cat or just put the cat, so I did put the cat. And then I covered it with Mod Podge, and it was pretty much done. And that's my sign, and it's going to be hanging inside, so I'm not worried about it getting wet or anything. And my daughter really likes it. I hope you enjoyed my little quickie video, and if you did, please give it a like. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and I'll be back again soon. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.